Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle SQL series. Today we are going to see on that continuation of the part 18 because I got that the comment from our subscriber. They said that if you are executing this statement, we get the result set like this we are getting, okay, but I should not repeat like this year West Indians versus India, it is repeated one time, okay, but I should not repeat like that India versus West Indians. So that time what it's happening means it is getting that unique record, it's getting, okay. So with the help of this the above the statements only, we are just changing our query. Now see here in this where conditions, here instead of using the not equal to operator, if you use a greater than, okay, that is a dot team greater than b dot team means that time what is happening, we can get that more unique record, we can get it, okay. So like that we can handle the data. But you should know about what the interviewer's perspective and how they are asking, whether they are asking that only they need to get that West Indians versus India and they are not bothered about India versus West Indians, means this statement it is suitable for you to write the query result set, okay. But the interviewer they may ask like West Indians versus India only I should come, but I should not repeat like that India versus West Indians, I should not repeat it, okay. That's the reason I have mentioned here 0, okay. If they are asking, that is I need to get that more unique records, so that time this result set, that is this statement, it will be good for writing and executing the statement, okay. Thanks for that valuable comments who give on the comments in that part 18. Thanks for them. This will be helpful for me to upload the more videos and sessions on that SQL as well as IICS. Thank you so much. We'll see you on that some other interview questions and answer in upcoming session. Thank you so much.